Hello dear students, welcome you all at Padhai Ke Fun Day. Today we are here with the topic of first chapter of class 8, that is rational numbers. The topic is additive and multiplicative inverse of rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? The numbers which can be represented in the form of P upon Q or A upon B, where A and B are the integers and B is not equals to 0. These numbers are known as rational numbers. Here we will see how to write additive inverse of the rational number as well as multiplicative inverse. So, first let us take the case of additive inverse. Here we have a rational number, that is A upon B. We have to find its additive inverse. So, it's so very simple. How to write the additive inverse? You just have to see the given rational number. The given rational number will be written as it is with no change. A upon B will remain A upon B only. You just have to pay attention towards the sign of the rational number here. As this rational number is positive here, so we will make it negative. In additive inverse, you just have to take opposite sign with the given rational numbers. This minus can be written anywhere, either with numerator or with denominator or just here as in common. Right? It doesn't make any difference. So additive inverse of A upon B is minus A upon B, and vice versa, means additive inverse of minus A upon B will be positive A upon B. Just change of the sign of the rational numbers. Now, if we talk about multiplicative inverse of a rational number, which is also known as reciprocal, right? What do we do to find multiplicative inverse is you have to interchange numerator and denominator. That means the integer which was numerator, it will become the denominator, and the integer which was the denominator will become the numerator. So multiplicative inverse of A upon B will be B upon A. Here you have to carry the sign with them. That means if you are writing multiplicative inverse of a negative number, so that will remain negative only and positive number will remain positive only. Change of sign in case of additive inverse and interchange of numerator and denominator in case of multiplicative inverse. Like for example, if I have to write multiplicative inverse of minus A upon B, so it will be minus B upon A or B upon minus A. Doesn't make any difference, as this rational number was negative, so its reciprocal will also be negative. It doesn't make any difference whether you are putting this minus sign with numerator or with the denominator. Is it clear? Now we are going to write additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of few rational number, so it will be more clear to you. We are taking some examples over here. Like first you have to write additive inverse of minus 5 upon 6. Additive inverse means change of sign. So here 5 upon 6 is a negative rational number, so we have to write its positive form. That's it. Nothing else to do. Got it? Second one is multiplicative inverse of minus 7 upon 5. So as I told you, the negative numbers reciprocal will be negative only. What we have to do? Interchange of numerator and denominator. 7 upon 5 will be 5 upon 7, and if you write it 5 upon minus 7, then also it will be correct. These both are correct. Okay. Now additive inverse of 4 upon 7. Additive inverse, change of sign. Positive 4 by 7 will become negative 4 by 7. Now additive inverse of minus 2 by minus 3. As you know, in this case when integers are in divide, upon means divide only, and if both divisor and dividend are negative, so we get the answer as positive. That means these two minus makes a positive. That means the number given here is a positive rational number, that is 2 by 3. So additive inverse of 2 by 3 will be minus 2 by 3. Sometimes you may confuse here as minus 2, minus 3, that means it's negative, so we need to make it positive. We have to see the final number what we are getting here. If only one negative is here, so its additive inverse will be positive, and both the negative integers were there, numerator also, denominator also, so finally it will become positive. So positive's additive inverse will be a negative rational number. Got? The next and the last one is multiplicative inverse of 0. So, as you know that each and every number has 1 as denominator, right? So, we can write it as 0 upon 1. Okay, multiplicative inverse means interchange of numerator and denominator. So, we will write it as 1 upon 0. And you know very well that 0 cannot be as denominator of any number. What do we call such cases? This we use to represent by the sign that is infinite, which is also called as not defined. Okay, so if it is asked to you in any test or exam, like write the multiplicative inverse of 0, so you don't write it as 1 upon 0. The answer will be not defined. You don't have to represent it. Just to explain to you, I have written this. 0 can never be denominator in any fraction. Okay, it is not defined because division by 0 is not defined. So multiplicative inverse of 0 will be not defined. And what will be the additive inverse of 0? Can you tell me? See, if we have to write the additive inverse of 0, so I have told you to change the sign, right? But 0 is a special number. It is neither negative nor positive. So you can write it like you cannot do it like this. Oh, no minus sign is here, so 0 is positive here, so its additive inverse will be minus 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive. It doesn't have any sign. Okay, so additive inverse of 0 will be 0 only. The cases are clear. So here we have studied about additive and multiplicative inverse of rational number. Multiplicative inverse of rational numbers are also known as reciprocal. Hope the process are clear. If you like the video, please share it as much you can. Leave your queries in the comment box and please subscribe Padhai Ke Fun Day and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more and more video. Thank you so much.